Hello everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the movie Jati Ratnalu. This is a Telugu movie that is an out and out blockbuster this year. I think it is the first blockbuster of the year. It just went complete bonkers at the box office and created a whole new wave and interest in the return to cinema, in the cinema releases, in the new film releases. And since then, the Telugu film industry definitely, has been doing very well. I know Crack did pretty well, although that was a remake of Setupati. Vakil Saab has been doing very well as well. So good things going on, for the Telugu box office there. But today we're going to talk about Jati Ratnalu starring Naveen Polishetty. This movie is an out and out comedy. And before we even talk about the details, I just want to say this movie works because of the clean, honest, humble comedy that it is. We have not seen something like this for many, many years. Now, I watch movies in all languages, all Indian languages, and it's been very many years that I enjoyed a comedy like this for what it is, a very genuine comedy. It was very straightforward. It was based on innocent people doing funny things, and most of the time it was very situational and very organic. There was a good time in India, generally speaking, for comedies, and then we pivoted to a lot of action movies and a lot of these over-the-top historic films and things like that over the past few years. So it has been a long time that we got something so genuine and natural. That is for me the biggest winner here in this movie, because I enjoyed it for the honesty and the innocence that comes with it. Now, Jati Ratnalu is of course about three people who are from a very small town that want to go and live in the big city life in Hyderabad and make something big out of their life because they don't want to do what they normally do in their village, and all the comedy that ensues when they go there and what kind of situations they are trapped in and how they try to, deal with those situations and what happens to them next. The fun part here is that there is a bit of thrill involved, there is a bit of twists and turns involved, there is a bit of mystery involved that keeps the comedy sort of going. It sort of is not an out and out comedy scene after the other for the sake of it. It has a good base story on which this is based. To top of that, brilliant actors who are very natural at comedy seems like, and who are very comfortable in the roles that they are playing, so that there is no sort of sense of heroism. There is no sort of I need to look good, or I need to dress good, or I need to deliver a pack a punch in every line. They really believed in the characters that they were playing, and they acted it out in a perfect way, so that they were not thinking about whether they are going to end up being funny or not. And that has been the problem with a lot of recent films, where comedy scenes feel like they need to deliver comedy, and the actors are thinking too much about if it's delivering a comedy, and they're delivering it in a comedic way rather than a natural character way. What is the character? Why is he or she like this? Why do they say things like this? Do they understand that they are being funny? Are people finding them funny? Is the situation funny? These things have not been analyzed very well recently, and that is where Jati Ratnalu wins, because it forgets that it's making a comedy film. It makes a film based on these characters, which is funny itself. So Naveen Polishetty, this was my first film. However, immediately after this film, the next day I went and checked out Agent Sai Srinivas Atreya. I obviously, loved it, and I will make a detailed review on it. So definitely check out, and subscribe my channel so that you get the updates for those. But Jati Ratnalu, I highly recommend everybody go and watch it after the especially difficult year we've all had and we continue to have. This can provide some sense of great relief if you sit together as a family, watch this movie with your friends and family, whoever you can, or even if you're living alone with your roommates, things like that. If you just watch this movie, your day will be uplifted, your week will be uplifted, you will feel good. And trust me, I watched it with subtitles. You don't need to necessarily understand the language. Of course, it's a bonus if you do, because there's nothing funnier than watching a movie in its own language. However, I thoroughly enjoyed this movie. I was entertained by it. I'm looking forward to much more from Naveen Polishetty and team. This was a delight. So I'm going with 4 stars for Jati Ratnalu. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching for much more.